Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nick, and I am back with another video for you guys. Back with another banger as usual. Guys, today we're back with part 8. Is it part 8?
I think it's part 8. I think it's I can't
part
remember.
8 of the F30 rebuild, guys. In the last video, we got the front end pretty much assembled. We got the M Sport front bumper on. We also got the car back from paint, guys. So that was a really big move. So that's what we are doing today. We are gonna get the painted M Sport side skirts on. We're gonna get the painted M Sport rear bumper on. We're also gonna mess with the left side headlight. We had some issues in the last video of some fitment and just all of the angles on the bumper and the hood and fender on the left driver's side. So we don't know if it might be a bent headlight bracket. It might just be a bad headlight, bad broken tabs. So we're gonna look into that today. We got a spare headlight with us. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so just a quick thing, I did forget to mention that I did get the dashboard replaced. This was a very tedious process, guys, and bro, it took from like 6 o'clock to like 12.
Are you serious? 6 hours?
Bro, it took a long time.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, it's just very complicated in terms of like
taking out everything.
Yeah, taking out everything and just like installing it right. I really wanted to take my time with it, and I had my friend help me out that also deals with dashboards. Like he literally replaces dashboards for a living, so he literally helped me like take out everything carefully. He knew where all the bolts are, where everything's going. So we took our time on it and we got everything installed properly. So I'm super excited about that, because honestly, I'm sorry I didn't get that on video for you guys, but it's just a very tedious process. And
it looks good though.
Yeah,
like this is my first time actually really seeing it. And yeah, as you guys know, the airbag was hit like, or it blew right here, so that was the problem with it. So yeah,
it looks a lot better now. We've got all the airbags situated at this point.
All airbags
honestly done. We're gonna put on the body stuff today, and we're pretty much almost done with the car, guys. So it's come a long way from how bad it was hit, bro, and all the damage, all the hidden damage, everything that was going on with this car.
I think we're just ready to install it. Let's just get it over
with. Let's just get into it.
All right guys, so these are the side skirts that we got painted. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but yeah, we got these all painted and it looks really nice. And then we also got the bumper painted. So I don't know if we showed it too much, but as you guys can see, it looks really nice.
Bro, this paint is like,
it looks so good, amazing. Dude. So we're really happy with how it turned out. And then also we have the OEM diffuser right here for the 328. But other than that, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and start installing it right now.
Gosh,
wow guys,
it looks so clean, bro.
Yo.
White M Sport,
guys, check this out. The white M Sport really just pops. I don't know, I think it pops, dude. Bro, what do you think?
It looks awesome, bro.
Doesn't
like,
it?
M Sport on a white car, because you could actually see like all the angles or all the like curves on it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, dude.
That looks so clean.
Whew, look at this, guys.
This thing looks clean.
It does look really clean. Guys, check out this bumper. It's finally on. Wow, dude, the white paint. White F30s, I don't know, there's just something about them.
There's literally something about
they just
white F30.
look so good. I think it's on properly. Let's go ahead and close this now.
Let's see how this, yeah, usually you could tell. This one I feel like might need to push in a little that way. This one's sitting right though.
It looks really good.
Yeah, bro, this looks sweet.
This side looks fine, to be honest. I think it's pretty good. Dude, it's so nice. What the heck?
Where's this guy's like walking around it just like, oh my gosh,
wow,
this looks so good.
wow, wow.
The typical, bro, the typical wows
wow.
and actuallys.
Wow, actually looks so good.
Yeah, guys, let's just get into installing these side skirts. Honestly, there's not much else to say, so we'll catch you there.
Bro, this is nice. Oh, this is so nice, bro.
Looks really good, huh?
Yeah. Oh, Johnny, these side skirts look really good.
They do look really good.
They changed actually a lot from the base. I never thought they made such a big difference.
It looks so good.
I like it. I love it a lot.
Let's go ahead and install it.
Bro, this looks good.
Wow, guys, check this out. We got these side skirts finally on. We got the rear bumper on, and now we're lowering the car. Dang, dude. Bruh.
Looks good.
Dude, are you serious? Look at this, guys. Finally, full M Sport white. Looks really, really clean. So yeah, we got the rear M Sport bumper on, we got the side skirts on, and then we also got the front M Sport bumper on. But yeah, guys, check this thing out. Wow, dude, it looks so good.
Yeah, bro, I'm like walking around and like, dude, this is nice.
It's so nice, like what the heck. So yeah, now I don't know if you guys saw from the last video, but the headlight is sitting a little off. So I think we're gonna go ahead and replace the headlight right now. What do you think we should do?
Yeah, let's I'm gonna turn the steering wheel that way. I'm gonna pull off this side and pretty much pull off like 2, maybe 3 screws right here, so we can like kind of get the bumper halfway off. Just that way we don't have to pull off the whole bumper, because we do have that side sitting really good.
Yeah,
it's just this side that's kind of like messing us up. So we're definitely gonna look into this right now and see if we can mess with the fitment a little bit and get something done. So we're gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse
and get it
and
situated.
Hopefully we can get it situated. Yes.
All right, let's do it, guys.
All right, guys, so we did our best. Honestly, we replaced the headlight. The bracket was a little bit bent, so we did get that situated. We just bent it back a little bit. It was nothing too crazy. There was no like really big damage on it, so I didn't see a need into replacing it completely. So honestly, guys, this came out so much better. If you guys look at it even from like the front end right here, check it out. It's like almost perfect. So honestly, guys, we're just gonna mess with this a little off camera. It's tedious. There's not really much to like talk about. It's honestly a matter of just messing with all the hood hinges, messing with the fenders, messing with the bumper. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get that done for sure. We're gonna get it looking all nice. We're actually missing a hood emblem.
Yeah, we are. I know.
We need to get that on there as well. I'm gonna probably order a new one, guys, just because I love the new looks of like the new look of a hood
emblems
in general. Yeah. So but yeah, guys, we have a bunch of writing all over, like on the side,
like the windows
and the rear window as well. So honestly, we're gonna use some acetone right now some degreaser and just realistically clean that up, clean up the windows, and just get you guys some B-roll. Honestly, this car has come such a long way, and it looks so good. I'm freaking hyped.
Very happy with how it looks.
Seriously.
Like, it looks sick now.
Yeah. Guys, we just got these windows cleaned up. Like, look at this one. Had some writing on there from the auction. So did this one right here. This one had a lot of writing on the back. Bro, look at this.
It looks so good, dude.
This back end is like
honestly,
complete.
We're gonna use this, I don't care. It'll work fine.
It's a glass cleaner, bro. It works for everything.
Let's go ahead.
Honestly, you can't even tell.
You can barely tell it's dirty. I mean, it's filthy. But
It's literally filthy, but you can barely tell the difference.
you can
Yeah.
barely tell, but I just wanna...
Bro, those, you just cleaned that taillight and it just became so much cleaner, bro. It's so much brighter. We need to debatch this. I'm just kidding. Should we?
I don't know. Wow.
Yeah, this looks clean, dude.
Phenomenal. And once it's even more clean, it's like, bro, it like pops. Dude.
We're gonna have to get some cool pictures of this.
Nice F30 now, dude.
Yeah.
Good. I'm really happy, guys, with how it's turning out. We got full M Sport white, everything. Oh, dude. I don't know. I'm excited.
Like when it first came, like how damaged it was.
really bad,
Imagine like the
actually.
17-inch wheels that it had on there. And now it's
dude.
like, it's got the Sportline wheels, it's got the M Sport body kit.
Whew. Guys, we transformed this thing. We're not done yet. We still got some more things coming for it. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys.
All right, guys, that'll pretty much conclude this video. We got a lot of work done in today's video. We pretty much assembled the car all together. We pretty much put the car all together, bro. It's like, I don't know, guys, for us it feels like we've accomplished something, you know, because like this car is like, when it first came, it looked like garbage, bro. It looked really bad. You know what I mean? So the fact that like we have everything together, everything painted, everything just looks so clean, guys. Little things that we need to get done, like we need to replace that windshield for sure. It's literally cracked up everywhere.
We just need to replace it at this point.
Yeah, so yeah, guys, that'll pretty much conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. I'll leave Johnny's Instagram right here. Be sure to subscribe to us on mine and Johnny's channel. Comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Here in my garage with my BMW, and you know what's better than a BMW? Knowledge. Bro, I felt so emotional saying that, bro. I don't know. I felt so emotional.
I'm weak, bro.